Hello and welcome to Tango Basic and Beyond lesson. Here we explore advanced figures which we can build from basic figures which you find in technique books. And today we will look at natural fallaway to outside swivel and wing to reverse swivel. And now let's welcome our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta. And we start today with wing, which is originally waltz figure. Then we will add reverse swivel, which is originally quick step figure. So we will do from whisk position. Man starts by rotating to left, leading lady to wing position, then step forward and swivel. Lady starts with left foot, 3 steps, then step and swivel. Now let's look at Romance and Violetta. They will start from whisk position and dance wing, then step and swivel. Very good. From opposite angle, whisk position and quick and slow. And now let's look at natural fallaway. So we start from promenade position. We move in promenade, turn to right and make fallaway position, which is similar to whisk position. Let's do it again from opposite angle and slow, quick. And now we will develop natural fallaway by changing timing and adding step and then outside swivel. So we start from promenade position, dance in promenade, turn to right, fallaway whisk, then close and then outside swivel. Very good. Let's do it again, this time with teaching count. And slow, quick, slow, quick, slow. Now, to make beginning more progressive, we will dance from promenade position, point ball change in promenade position, and then we continue with natural fallaway, close and then outside swivel. Very good. Let's do it again, this time with teaching count. And slow, quick and quick, slow, quick, slow. And now let's dance same thing and follow with wing and reverse swivel. So we start from promenade position, we dance promenade with point ball change, continue with natural fallaway, close, dance outside swivel, wing and reverse swivel. Very good. Let's do it again. And with teaching count. And slow, quick and quick, slow, quick, slow, quick and slow. And now let's look at ending of today's routine. So we will start outside partner with natural pivots, turn into promenade position and point ball change to side cross. Very good, let's do it again. And quick, 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 quick and quick, quick and. And now let's put together today's choreography. So we start from promenade position and move in promenade with point ball change. Continue with natural fall away, closing, then outside swivel, wing, reverse swivel, natural pivots to promenade position, then point ball change and side cross. Very good. And now again, this time with teaching count. And slow, quick, quick and quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick and slow, quick, 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 quick and quick, quick and. And now to music. Thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta, and special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.